Hello, my name is Shay Barnett, and I just completed Aaron's 90-day hormonal cleanse. The reason for me reaching out to Aaron was because about 7 years ago, I was diagnosed with an autoimmune deficiency. That deficiency left me feeling extremely fatigued. I had a lot of brain fog. I had gained a substantial amount of weight. And I know that with any autoimmune deficiency, your hormones are going to be out of whack. So the goal was to balance some of those hormones, get mental clarity, and also lose a few pounds. And with that program, I was able to accomplish all of those things. Within the first 30 days, I had dropped about 10 pounds just balancing the hormones through supplements. She was amazing. She, Erin and I met every other week, and we talked about some of my goals, and we were able to achieve those goals with the program. The first 14 days, though, we did a hormonal cleanse, and I know that was the jump start to having a more balanced hormones. She's very knowledgeable, very attentive, and she helps a lot along the way. So would I recommend Erin? Absolutely, I would. I know she helped me with hormonal balance, but she's really great with weight loss. And even thereafter the program, she has been a powerhouse in helping me to pivot and figure out how I can take my nutrition to the next level. So if you guys are looking for a nutritionist who is knowledgeable and is gonna walk you step by step in the process, Erin Walker is your person. You will not be disappointed.